Let's recap on what was said in the previous videos. We demonstrated how you can work more efficiently with our technology, featuring a wider conveyor belt and no sidebands. We explained why Excellent CM80 is a better product. We also explained how the machine was designed to sustain high production rates with continuous cycles, yet still enables you to save on energy and filters. Now, we're going to tell you how all this is combined with an incredibly efficient belt cleaning and paint recovery system. Our cleaning system features a carriage or double carriage in the case of rapid color change with side removal, a chrome-plated counter-rotating roller for paint recovery, a recovery tray lined with disposable mylar film, a recovery scraper with a mechanical rather than pneumatic drive, a V-shaped unit for solvent feeding, and lastly, a solvent recovery tray lined with disposable mylar. The washing area consists of two counter-rotating rollers, a highly efficient solvent feeding system, and several recovery tanks to collect the washing liquid and recycle it. A well-structured but profitable and beneficial system. The first benefit is the long-term durability of the belt. With a higher recovery efficiency, the belt is cleaner and so lasts longer. The second benefit is the reduction in maintenance costs and cleaning interventions. The third is the reduction in maintenance and cleaning times thanks to the mylar materials. Lastly, the fourth is a higher efficiency and reliability of the recovery system, as well as the motorized scraper system. As in all Macor products, therefore, every aspect of the painting system has been taken care of in the Excellent CM80, with a threefold objective: to let you work more efficiently, obtain a perfect product, and generate earnings by saving on raw materials as well. Excellent CM80, high quality, low consumption, and zero contamination.